Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to hack Subway Surf. So first you would want to do is go to Subway Surf and go to, well, this one. Oh no, wait, not that, sorry. Mucked up. Got to go here. Corner thing. Sorry. Subway Surf.
Trying to back.
Good. Let's see which one it is. This one.
Now can you change it back?
Where?
This one.
You go to here, install. And then wait for it. So we'll look down here while we're waiting.
Is that a man?
Thank you. But this is gonna be actually. Let's see the comments. Let's hope it works. Update it just as a prank poll. Now let's open it. Cancel. Did one. Install the game. No thanks. Go to the button. Go to Chrome. Sorry guys. Download. Always. Scrolling. Download anyway.
What is wrong with her face now?
And then just wait for it.
Is it?
While we wait, we can go to Tips and Guide.
Nana's acid sore.
It can kill you, it'll eat you. It's a chemical liquid.
He looks like a doll.
Just wait for it. Stupid ads. Oh look,
He looks like a doll.
Subway Surface is completed. Next install. Sorry guys, we'll come back in a minute. Well, when it's installed you can unpause it and then go to next. Once you download it, go to your settings and clear game data. Okay, that looks easy. Where's my Subway Surf? Subway Surf, app info. Let's see. Wait for it. Oh wait, I'll be back in 1 minute. Sorry guys, and we're back. Push clear data. Okay. cleared. Once you do that, go back to tips guide, cross, and then apply cheats. Apply. Let's see if it worked. Go back to Subway Surf. Guys, if it works, you have to give me heaps of subscribes and views.
Shush.
It worked! Guys, it actually worked! Oh man! What about the boards? Oh yo! I'll show you which one I think. I might just unlock this. Try this board.
It's 10 o'clock, eh?
Yeah? Yeah.
Yeah. Son,
I know.
you do Timberlockle?
Oh, I was off like ages ago.
Huh?
See, it's a
I was off
flying
like
board.
An hour ago.
What's 10 o'clock an hour?
Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. And make sure to subscribe
Oh, mine was
and
already off.
get heap me views. So bye.